I learned a lot about like the different things in law that you can do. Like you can do juvenile law, you can do fire sciences with the law, you can do all sorts of different law things, environmental law or anything like that. Oh, I enjoy that the law magnet is the most involved and the best magnet here at Northeast, since we are very involved and we're a public speaking magnet too. So during my freshman year would probably be the project when you have your first law project is turning that in on time and studying, because there's going to be a lot of law tests that you have to take. Organization was probably a big one. I had to make a whole binder with different colored folders, that way I know all my classes and all, and especially for your freshman year of law, they want you to have this law binder that you have to keep organized and everything like that.
And studying for my law class, because we had a test almost every single day as well. The thing I learned the most during my freshman year was more about my magnet than anything. It was more about the law field, and that the things in law aren't what you see on TV. And that's the misconception. That's one of the reasons why I chose to go with the law magnet, because I was going to be like, oh, it's going to be like it's what it is on TV, and it wasn't at all. So I enjoy the teachers the most because they're actually really knowledgeable teachers, like Miss Witt. She is one of the most smartest ladies I've ever met in my life, and she teaches history and law. And Mr. Kiernan's really cool. He's a really awesome teacher as well. And then now, as a senior, I get to take an EMT class, which has to do with the law magnet, the law and public service part of it. It was more social issues than anything, because I mean the academics I had already, but it was social, like, you know, trying to fit in. You're a freshman and you're trying to get involved, especially being a law magnet. You want to try to get involved because you need community service hours. And, you know, the people who are, you know, sophomores, juniors, seniors, they've already been there. They know how to get involved and stuff. And you're, like, on top of fitting into the high school schedule and, you know, just everything coming at you at once. You have to, you know, sort your schedule out so you can, you know, be involved with your class, be involved with this and that, and do stuff after school so you can get community service hours so you're not catching up at the end when you're a senior.
Being focused on my schoolwork and staying focused on learning as a whole. I learned that it's different. It's a big learning curve. It's a big switch from middle school to high school. You have a lot more responsibilities that you need to focus on, and you need to have a plan for when you're done with school, because you're going to be. I love the fire program that they have. Because personally, I want to be a firefighter, and it teaches you not only, you know, about the fire program, but life skills that you'll need when you're out there on your own, pretty much. When I came, I didn't really understand, you know, the content of what the program had, and it just didn't set in until my sophomore year. So maybe just, you know, just content, not understanding what was going on.